What's something people don't know about Jamaica? Land of sun, sand, and reggae. This Caribbean jewel is more than just a pretty face. It's an explosion of culture, flavor, and rhythm. From the moment you step off the plane, you're hit with the warmth of the people and the intoxicating sounds of reggae. Jamaica is an island country. It's located in the Caribbean Sea. It's the third largest island in the Caribbean. Cuba and Hispaniola are larger. Jamaica is a place to relax. Find your own private slice of paradise on the beach, or explore the lush rainforests. Go for a swim in a waterfall. The beauty of Jamaica isn't just skin deep, it's in the heart of the people. They welcome you with open arms. The spirit of one love is alive and well here. What's something people don't know about Jamaica's music scene? Reggae is more than just a genre in Jamaica, it's a way of life. Bob Marley brought the message of peace and love from this island to the world. You can visit his birthplace in 9 miles, or pay your respects at the Bob Marley Museum in Kingston. Speaking of Kingston, this bustling city is the heart of Jamaica. It's a mix of old and new. You can explore historic buildings, check out the vibrant street art scene. And don't forget to try some authentic jerk chicken, but Jamaica is not just about the city. Head to the Blue Mountains, hike through the lush rainforest, reach the peak for breathtaking views, and be sure to try Blue Mountain coffee. It's some of the best in the world. From the beaches of Montego Bay to the waterfalls of Ocho Rios, Jamaica has something for everyone. Get ready to immerse yourself in the beauty of this island paradise. You need to hear this if you're a culture enthusiast. Jamaica's culture is a melting pot. African and European influences blend together. This creates a unique and vibrant tapestry. You see it in the food, the music, and the people. The food in Jamaica is a treat for your taste buds. Jerk chicken is a must-try, so is ackee and saltfish, the national dish. Don't forget to try the fresh seafood, and wash it all down with some refreshing coconut water. Jamaica is divided into 14 parishes. These parishes are grouped into 3 counties, Middlesex, Surrey, and Cornwall. Each parish has its own distinct charm and attractions. What's something people don't know about Jamaica? I've been lucky enough to travel the world, experience different cultures, eat some strange and wonderful food, but there's something special about Jamaica. It's a place that stays with you long after you leave. Maybe it's the warmth of the sun on your skin, maybe it's the sound of reggae music filling the air, or maybe it's the genuine smiles of the people you meet. Whatever it is, Jamaica has a way of capturing your heart, so come experience it for yourself. I promise you won't be disappointed. One love.